Hey everybody! Welcome to Destination Diaries, where we explore the top spots you can't miss in Miami. This city is like that friend who's always ready for a good time. Beautiful beaches, delicious food, and a vibe that's impossible to resist. Miami is calling, and trust me, you've got to pick up. Whether you're a sun worshiper, a foodie, or an art enthusiast, Miami has something for you. Imagine strolling down sun-kissed beaches, feeling the warm sand between your toes. Picture yourself sipping on a refreshing mojito, the rhythm of salsa music in the air. That's Miami. From the moment you arrive, you're greeted with open arms and a whole lot of sunshine. The energy is contagious, the people are warm, and the memories you make will last a lifetime. So what are we waiting for? Let's dive into the heart of Miami and discover its most dazzling gems. And don't forget to subscribe to Destination Diaries for more interesting facts and travel tips. Miami isn't just about the beaches, though they are pretty amazing. The golden sands and turquoise waters are just the beginning of what this vibrant city has to offer. This city has a rich history and a vibrant culture that's just waiting to be explored. From the colorful murals in Wynwood to the lively streets of Little Havana, every corner of Miami tells a story. Did you know Miami is nicknamed the Magic City because of its rapid growth? In just over a century, it has transformed from a small settlement to a bustling metropolis. From its early days as a Native American settlement to its rise as a glamorous destination, Miami has always been a place of transformation. The city's history is preserved in its many museums and historical landmarks, each telling a unique part of its story. The city's unique blend of cultures, from Cuban to Haitian and everything in between, is reflected in its music, food, and art. You can taste the world in Miami's diverse culinary scene, hear it in the rhythms of its music, and see it in the vibrant art that decorates its streets. One thing's for sure, Miami knows how to tell a story. Whether it's through a local theater performance, a historic district tour, or a community storytelling event, the city's narrative is always evolving. Walk down its streets and you'll feel the echoes of legends and the promise of new beginnings. Every building, every street corner has a tale to tell, from the whispers of the past to the dreams of the future. It's a city that embraces its past while looking forward to a future as bright as its sunshine. The blend of historical buildings and modern architecture is a testament to Miami's dynamic spirit. So, are you ready to write your own Miami story? Come on, let's go. Whether you're here for the beaches, the culture, or the history, Miami is ready to welcome you with open arms and endless possibilities. First stop, South Beach. Imagine the softest sand, the bluest water, and the most inviting shoreline you've ever seen. And as the day winds down, the sky transforms into a canvas painted in hues of pink and orange, creating a breathtaking sunset. That's South Beach for you, a place where the party never seems to end. From sunrise to sunset, the energy here is palpable, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Beyond the obvious attractions, South Beach is filled with hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Sure, you can spend your days soaking up the sun or riding the waves. The beach offers endless opportunities for relaxation and adventure. But South Beach is also a playground for your senses. The vibrant colors, the sounds of laughter, and the smell of the ocean create an unforgettable experience. Take a stroll down Ocean Drive and let the pastel-colored Art Deco buildings transport you back in time. Each building tells a story of Miami's rich history. Grab a bite at one of the many sidewalk cafes and watch the world go by. The food scene here is as diverse as it is delicious. And when the sun sets, get ready for a night of dancing and entertainment that'll keep you buzzing till dawn. The nightlife in South Beach is legendary. South Beach is a whirlwind of excitement, a place where you can be whoever you want to be. Whether you're here to relax or to party, there's something for everyone. So put on your coolest shades, grab your swimsuit, and get ready for some fun in the sun. South Beach awaits you with open arms and endless possibilities. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're stepping back in time. Get ready to be transported to an era where elegance and style were paramount. The Art Deco Historic District is like a time capsule from the 1930s. With its pastel-colored buildings, geometric designs, and a whole lot of charm. Every corner you turn, you'll find a new detail that harks back to a bygone era. Imagine a time when flapper dresses and fedoras were all the rage. The fashion of the 1930s was as vibrant and dynamic as the architecture itself. This neighborhood is a living, breathing museum of that era, where every building tells a story of its own. And it's impossible not to feel a sense of wonder as you walk these streets. Take a guided tour to learn the rich history behind each facade, or simply wander around and admire the architecture. Each building is a masterpiece waiting to be discovered. Look for the signature porthole windows, the sleek lines, and the intricate details that make each structure unique. And the playful use of color. The vibrant hues add a touch of whimsy to the elegance of the designs. You'll feel like you've stepped onto a movie set. The entire district has a cinematic quality that makes it feel almost surreal. The Art Deco Historic District is a reminder that even in the midst of modernity, we can still find beauty and inspiration in the past. At night, the buildings come alive with lights, creating a magical atmosphere that transports you even further back in time. It's a place where history comes alive, where you can almost hear the jazz music playing in the background. And trust me, you'll want to take a piece of it home with you. From souvenirs to memories, the Art Deco District offers a timeless experience. Okay, so we've talked about South Beach, but there's a whole lot more to Miami Beach than just that one iconic strip. Think of it as a string of pearls, each one with its own unique personality. You've got the family-friendly vibes of North Beach, the laid-back atmosphere of Surfside, and the upscale elegance of Bal Harbour. And let's not forget about the delicious food scene, from fresh seafood to Cuban sandwiches that'll rock your world. Rent a bike and explore the boardwalk, take a dip in the ocean, or simply relax on the sand and soak up the sun. Miami Beach is all about embracing the good life, and there's no wrong way to do it. So whether you're looking for adventure or relaxation, you're sure to find it on the shores of Miami Beach. Get those credit cards ready, because Bayside Marketplace is a shopper's paradise. Imagine a waterfront wonderland filled with shops, restaurants, and the most stunning views of Biscayne Bay. From souvenirs to designer clothes, you'll find it all here. But the real treat is the atmosphere. Live music fills the air, street performers captivate the crowds, and the energy is absolutely electric. Grab a bite to eat at one of the many restaurants and savor the flavors of Miami. From fresh seafood to international cuisine, there's something to please every palate. Bayside Marketplace is the perfect place to spend an afternoon or evening, soaking up the sights, sounds, and tastes of Miami. It's a feast for the senses and a shopping experience you won't soon forget. Get ready for a sensory overload, because we're headed to Little Havana. This vibrant neighborhood is like stepping into the heart of Cuba, with its colorful buildings, cigar shops, and the aroma of Cuban coffee wafting through the air. As you stroll down Calle Ocho, the main drag, you'll be greeted by the sounds of dominoes clacking, salsa music spilling out of cafes, and the chatter of locals catching up. Stop by a Ventanita for a cafecito, the sweetest and strongest coffee you'll ever taste. Indulge in some authentic Cuban cuisine, from ropa vieja to tostones, and let your taste buds dance. Little Havana is a celebration of Cuban culture, a place where you can experience the warmth, the passion, and the spirit of this incredible island nation. Prepare to be transported to another world, because Vizcaya Museum and Gardens is like stepping into a fairy tale. This stunning estate, built in the early 1900s, is a masterpiece of European architecture and design. Imagine sprawling gardens overlooking Biscayne Bay, filled with fountains, sculptures, and exotic plants. Step inside the main house and you'll be greeted by opulent rooms filled with antiques, art, and a sense of history that's palpable. Take a guided tour or wander around at your own pace, soaking up the beauty and grandeur of this incredible place. It's like taking a step back in time, a glimpse into a world of elegance and sophistication. Vizcaya Museum and Gardens is a true Miami gem, a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of the city and immerse yourself in a world of beauty and tranquility. Calling all art lovers, Wynwood Walls is a must-see for anyone who appreciates creativity and expression. This outdoor street art museum is a feast for the eyes, with colorful murals covering every inch of its walls. What was once a warehouse district has been transformed into a vibrant art scene, thanks to the vision of the late Tony Goldman. Today, Wynwood Walls is a global destination for street art, attracting artists and visitors from all over the world. As you wander through the streets, you'll be amazed by the sheer talent and creativity on display. From large-scale murals to intricate stencil art, there's something to inspire everyone. Wynwood Walls is a testament to the power of art to transform communities and bring people together. It's a place where you can lose yourself in a world of color, imagination, and boundless creativity. When the sun goes down, Miami truly comes alive. From the hottest nightclubs to live music venues and rooftop bars, this city knows how to party. Whether you're looking to dance the night away or enjoy a more laid-back evening, Miami has something for everyone. Catch a concert in South Beach, sip on cocktails with a view in Brickell, or experience the Latin rhythms of Little Havana. The energy is contagious, and you'll find yourself caught up in the excitement of it all. But it's not just about the nightlife. Miami is also home to world-class theaters, concert halls, and art performances. Catch a Broadway show, enjoy a symphony orchestra, or immerse yourself in the world of ballet. Miami truly has it all, and it's a city that never disappoints. So, there you have it, folks. Miami is a city that's bursting with life, culture, and endless opportunities for adventure. From its pristine beaches to its vibrant art scene, there's something for everyone in this magical city. Whether you're looking for relaxation, excitement, or a little bit of both, Miami has it all. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready to experience the magic of Miami for yourself. And who knows, you might just fall in love with this city as much as I have. See you in Miami!